What's going on, guys? It's GBP, baby. Welcome to a trade execution video. The trade execution has actually already been done. This is just me doing a introduction because the first part of it was lagging a lot. I did execute on this candle here as we traded into this fair value gap, but you'll get a grasp as to where we are as you watch the rest of the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later. It'd be nice to see if this gap does get left open. We can trade into it, but I'd prefer to see it get left open. I'd see that as a breakaway gap. And it'll show, it'll show willingness to want to continue lower. Also, one thing to notice, look at this bullish order block here. You'll notice that volume is continuing to rest below it. I'll just draw that out now. So you can see how volume is staying below this level, respecting it. Yes, we've wicked in it, wicked through it, but volume is staying below that level. And we're kind of doing the same thing on a high time frame, which I just showed you on the 15-minute with this order block. You can see how price is traded up into it, came back out of it, and closed below it as well. If we actually look at the whole range of the order block as well, from this high to this low, you'll notice that 50% level. You can see how we've continued to respect that. So there's all of these confluences which are telling me that we're likely going to see a draw lower. And you can see that I'm literally waiting for that 8:30 candle to start to form for me to expect a rundown. Why? Because 8:30 is the news release. That's when there's liquidity injected into the markets and price is going to run to a certain level. So that's what we're waiting on right now. But it's just things like this that you need to consider when you're trading yourself, But this is the swing low I have delineated. And yes, there's this fair value gap here, but we also have another one residing here, which is a little bit more interesting, so to speak. So we'll see if price can get down there. Right, we can see we're starting to expand lower. There we go, you can see we're starting to expand now. Much more aggressively too. And it should run to our level. I want to see a gap get created here. Yep, that's what I mean. See that? That's what I wanted to see happen. Fantastic. I don't want to see price trade above this. No, like you can wick into there. I don't expect price to trade above it. It can wick above that 50% level, can be wicked above. I don't want to see price close above that 50% level before we hit this target. If it does, then it's something else and we're likely going to trade higher. Mohawk, we can allow for that. There we go. See how we were staying below that level? Really digging down. So then my stop loss can now be moved to here if I wanted, because the green candle should provide resistance, like so. There we go, and that's our position closed. So that's everything, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something, and yeah, I'll catch you in the next one.